Hello, welcome to Master of None. My name is Rodney, and today is my very first unboxing. The contents of this box is a Captain America helmet from a company called Killerbody. I got the idea to make this purchase from them because of a previous purchase. This Black Panther helmet. I love this piece. I collect most of the other Marvel hero helmets like Iron Man, Ant-Man, and such. And as you can see on the wall, I also have a couple of Captain America shields. But the craftsmanship of this helmet and the amount of time it took for me to receive it was just perfect. So I decided, hey, let me see what this Captain America helmet is like. So anyway, this is going to be my unboxing. I'll give my opinion of the craftsmanship, and let's get to it. The easiest way to do this. Here we go. Okay, so there's an inner box, I guess, to make sure you don't damage it opening it up. Get this out the way. What's this inside? Oh, it's an examination notification. I guess it's their quality assurance check. Okay. Oh, no, this is actually China's customs department. I guess anything that leaves China going outside of the country, they add this to let you know that it's been properly inspected. Okay, so don't need that box. Looking good. Looking good. Now, apparently there was an earlier model of this helmet that was created, sold, and released by Killerbody RC. I don't know if I said that earlier when I was introducing this unboxing, but this and the Black Panther helmet was made by Killerbody RC out of China. And I love the detail and the leather work and also the way that they packed it. Let me figure out how to undo this strap. I'm gonna lay it down. Okay. Oh, that's not a real. Okay, I'm confused. Tell you what, I'm gonna bring you closer so you can see what I'm seeing. I'm gonna take the extra foam out. Oh, is it Velcro? Oh, wait a minute. That's not good. Okay, well, the first issue, this strap was screwed into this space. Let you see it. This strap was screwed in here, and let me shake it and see if there was a, nope, no bolt. So already we're not off to the best start, but okay. So let me check the other side. Oh, okay, so this is the issue. If you look inside of there, there's this little pad and there's a screw under it. On this side of the helmet, there's nothing. So I don't know if they forgot to put it in, or if it came out maybe during the inspection process. I'm not sure. Let me look inside of the bag. There's nothing in the bag. So, okay. So my guess is the screw wasn't there before it was shipped. Okay. This piece, it feels like leather. I can't tell the quality, but I don't think it's vinyl. That was my first thought, is it might be vinyl. This clip is normally an actual working clip on most of these helmets, but as you could see, it's just a piece that was probably just cast this way. The chin cup was comfortable, and actually the way that this piece stretched to fit under my chin was fine. The padding inside of the helmet I think is excellent. It was comfortable, and the overall look of the helmet, I mean, in comparison to the previous one, I think it fits the head better. There's wear on it to make it look more screen accurate. Overall, I feel it's an excellent helmet, whether you want to use it as a display or to wear it for cosplay. So, what are my final thoughts? Like I said, overall, I love this helmet by Killerbody. I am disappointed that this screw was not attached properly, and that I will have to take the time out to either repair this myself or to send it back. It doesn't make sense to send it back because it took me almost 3 months to receive this by mail. I'm not exactly sure of why it took so long to receive it, but like I said, the craftsmanship that they've put into this, the improved fit over the initial helmet they created. Overall, I think it's an excellent product, and I paid $169 for this with shipping. Shipping was included. So that's an excellent price for a helmet that fits this well, even though I may have to, you know, reattach this screw and make sure that that it's secure. But other than that, that's my review. Thank you for watching Master of None. There's a lot of different projects, things I'll be creating and working on. If you want to tune in to check me out, become a subscriber. And if you enjoyed watching my video, click like. Thank you for your time.